Alright guys, so we got Tristan and I here, and my bag of patties right here. Tristan's got some of his. What you got there?
Alright, so we got the spicy beef.
That's the spicy beef one?
I think so.
I'll show you. Nice, nice.
We got the jerk chicken over here too.
Oh, okay. Nice, alright. And for me, I got, this is a shrimp one. I mean, they all pretty much look the same, but this color kind of looks different, but actually, I think maybe that's a callaloo one. I'm not sure. It says SC on there. Might be shrimp one. This one is callaloo. Yeah, callaloo. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, they're all the same. Yeah. All right. So here, I'm gonna start off with the callaloo, and then you jump in on the jerk. So, callaloo one. Here goes. So, so here what? This is here in Canada, right? Ontario. And this is done by Western and Finch. And so, me coming from Jamaica, I can tell you already that this is definitely good stuff. This callaloo patty is authentic. So, you guys can see the filling inside. Let me just open up a little bit. There it is. That's the callaloo right there. Not bad, guys. Not bad. Not bad. It's nice and flaky. It's not too big. It's about the same size of my hand. But I like it. It's seasoned well good and everything. Tristan, what you got?
Let me try the beef one first. Oh yeah, it's just nice, man.
Yeah? How's the beef? Good?
Good. Pretty good, man.
Spicy? How's the flavor?
It's already too spicy, but I like the seasoning again.
Nice.
It really comes all together, man.
The color looks good. The color looks good on it.
Good color in it. It's nice, man.
Yeah.
That's pretty good, man.
Yeah?
Oh yeah. Yo, I definitely recommend the beef one.
Yeah.
Beef one is nice, man.
Callaloo one's almost done, guys. I ain't gonna lie. It's not good. You know what I mean? I'm a slow eater. It's less than 2 minutes. That's how good it is.
That's real good, man. Alright.
What do you got there now?
Right quick, I'm about to get into the jerk chicken one.
Woo! Guys, jerk chicken one. Can't wait.
I got high hopes for this one. No, that's good too, man.
Yeah?
It was a little bit more hollow than the other one. But I like this. I think this one's even better than the other one, honestly.
Yeah?
This one's real good.
Yeah.
This one's real nice. I think I might like this one better than the other one, honestly. It's nice. It's good, man.
Alright, guys. Alright, so I got the shrimp one. It says S. I'm hoping because I have another one that says FC. Can't remember what that one is, but anyway, this is supposed to be the shrimp patty. Got a little orange dot on there. Nice and good size. It's all flaky. Now, thing is, I'm not a big seafood person, but this right here is good. Let me open this up and show you. So, you can see the real shrimp in there. Alright. Look at that. That's real shrimp. Yeah, they put in a... Shrimp patty from Souperlicious. Souperlicious. Super. I'll figure it out. That's good, man. I recommend. Did you say the jerk was good?
Jerk one was nice. I think the jerk one though, that's the one you want to go for. The jerk chicken one over the beef is very nice.
Yeah.
I'd highly recommend that one. That one's real nice. See, I already finished my 2 patties already. That's how you know it's good.
Oh my god. So this one says SC. I ordered an Atkins sawfish one, so I'm not sure what they gave me. This one has some green on there. Hold on. Oh no.
2 callaloo?
He gave me 2 callaloo. Give me 2 callaloo.
You're gonna get a Atkins sawfish, huh?
No, I didn't get the Atkins sawfish. Guys, they cheated me out on my Atkins sawfish patty. Alright, well here what? They said jerk. This is a jerk chicken one, so I'm gonna try it. I like the color of it. It's different from the other one, from the callaloo and the shrimp patty, but still the same size or maybe a little bit bigger. But I like how the presentation. I like how it looks. And here goes. Wow.
Good, huh?
That's the jerk one. That's the jerk chicken patty. It is spicy, so yeah, you did.
That was a jerk chicken.
That was the jerk chicken.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Yeah.
The jerk chicken one, definitely the nicest one they got there. So that I tried it.
Oh yeah. Definitely recommend, guys. Hit these guys up and definitely try their patty. Right now, like I said, they got a promotion going on from September 2nd to the 9th, where you get 2 patties for $6. I'll have to double check and leave all the information in the description below. But definitely worth checking out, guys. Let them know the Rustic cook, Rory and Tristan sent you over there. And yeah, man, I'm just a little disappointed I didn't get my ackee and saltfish patty, but other than that, I can't complain. Everything is good. Yeah. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, man, have a good one, guys.